Hey guys, so welcome to this video. Guys, I'm just thinking, few days ago I saw this movie called Blood Diamonds. So in this movie actually there is a scene where Leonardo DiCaprio dies, right? Like he's a smuggler, he's a villain, he's a bad guy, but he dies. And he died to help these two other people, right? The dad and the child to get into the plane. Like if you have seen the movie Blood Diamonds, you should. It's an amazing movie. But basically, when he died, I felt like crying. Like I felt emotional. I was thinking what happened, what's going on. Like I just started to think to myself yes, he is the hero, obviously. But why did I feel so sad when he died, even though he's a smuggler? And then I started to think okay, how did Hollywood showed him? Like he always wanted to steal that diamond from those two people. But finally he said, you know what? It's okay, I will sacrifice. Like, he's a bad guy, but he became good. When he realized he got shot on the side. So I started to emotionally feel more likeness to him. Okay, so what I'm trying to explain is there's something Russell Brunson says as attractive character. Okay, it's a psychologically proven fact that if we like somebody, then we are more likely to buy from them. Okay, if we like somebody, then we are more likely to buy from them. Like, how did Apple become so big? Like, Apple is not actually the brand. Steve Jobs is the brand. Okay, so I just started to realize when I saw this movie that even though he's a smuggler, when he died, I felt emotionally sad. Okay, it's because I felt like he's an attractive character. So if you're a marketer, one of your primary aim is to show or come up with a character which your target market will like. Okay, in the future videos I will be explaining this strategy that I talked to you. But basically, in this video, if there is just one thing that you should understand, then that one thing is, if the people likes you, then they are more likely to buy from you. Okay, and there is a simple formula. Okay, something Russell Brunson calls as attractive character. If you can set up an attractive character, then just like even though Leonardo DiCaprio is a smuggler, I felt sad for him. Okay, like that, it's because I started to like him. Same way, if you can come up with an attractive character, then the people who you are trying to sell will start to like you, and as a result your sales and conversions will skyrocket. Okay, like in the coming days I will explain to you some of the simple things that you can do to come up with an attractive character. Okay, so thank you for your time, guys. Please like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.